It is a shell that can be set on a lighter, and it is also a push card, and it can also be played with. Hello everyone, I am One. What I want to share with you today is a lighter case. This is a recent aluminum alloy lighter case produced by Tiger. You can install the BSAJ3 lighter. You may ask me if I can't just use a lighter? Why add a shell to it? Hey, what you said also makes sense. But what if this lighter shell can still be played as a push card? That's right, this P08 is not only a lighter case, or a magnet cone card. Let's take a look at the appearance of P08 as a whole, which is a weapon theme. The word cannon is written on it, and when it unfolds it looks more like a weapon. The design style is really sci-fi, and the various details are very well depicted. In terms of appearance, I can give it a 9 point. This key must be taken out. Be careful of being missed by your brother. The material is made of aluminum alloy, which is 79 mm long and 48 mm wide. 16 mm thick. Weight 83 grams. The handle has 3 colors: magnetic, white, sand yellow, and matte black with ceramic plating technology. It has a delicate matte texture to the touch. It does not stick fingerprints and is not prone to scratches. This toxic layer makes up for the low hardness of aluminum alloys. Let it be lightweight and have good playability. The focus of this lighter box is actually on the push and crawl play function. First of all, the side stroke can be pushed. There are 3 feedbacks in one direction. It can be pushed back and forth continuously. So don't worry about disintegration. The push plate can also fluctuate up and down, and the wave beads are installed inside. There are 3 paragraphs to open the box back and forth, and the feel is also very good. You can also use your middle finger to pop it instantly, and the feel feedback is very cool. When this push table is closed, push it again. The feel will be different. With each push, there is a light click. It's like a film pierced through it. It's a magical feel. Let's take a look at the internal structure. Unscrew the 2 screws under the push row to open it. Inside there are 4 holes, which are where the magnets are installed. Turns out that this magnet is not just one. Instead, there are 2 1 5x5, 1 5x1, and 2 magnets on the side of the fire crisis shell. So when we overturn nuclear power, the 2 magnets on the side of the fire shell will attract a small magnet 1 mm thick. After pushing the row over, the small magnet returned to its place. In this way, he will come into contact with the big magnet. Just make this clicking sound. This idea is actually very innovative. A new way to play magnet push rows has been explored. What's even more interesting is that you can change the arrangement of the internal magnets. You can adjust it with a kaleidoscopic feel. This is some of the various magnet deployment schemes explored by the subject. Take the top magnet as the first one. From top to bottom are the second, third. The 4th square is to attract the sliding fast magnet. The opposite side is to repel the slippery magnet. Players can adjust according to the plan given by the manager. You can also mix it according to your own preferences and find your favorite scheme. Among these solutions, I recommend 2793 methods. The second scheme allows you to get a very dense click. The 7th can get slipping gameplay, quickly launch, and quickly return to normal. The 9th type of pushing rhythm is very interesting. Just blow lightly for the first time. Then the remaining 2 paragraphs will be passed. When pushing back, gently press the block to retract it, and then press it back hard. There is also a great god modifying this crackle. Replace the secondary force with a 5x3 one, and then it adds a 0.35 by 3 by 4.5 Rueda spring inside. This will make it make a nailing sound. Although this sound is a bit small, it is worth exploring. This illustrates the P08 from the side, and there is still a lot of room for exploration. Finally, let me talk about its shortcomings. It is after my long-term high-intensity play that slip marks have already appeared in places that are often rubbed. In particular, the tracks of the stack row have turned black. And since I've explored cool gameplay, the line slot was also broken. This is the problem with aluminum alloys. So there is no way to play with high intensity. This is why aluminum alloys are rarely used in the circle to make push rows, because loss is a big problem. I hope that some more durable materials can be released in the future. I forgot that P08 is a magnetic face pusher that is very worth buying. The appearance is cool and the gameplay is different. In terms of playability, you can score after 8 points. Mainly in durability. Other aspects are very good. It should still be in stock at the moment. All 3 colors are 245 yuan to search for the princess number. Tigiger can find a way to buy it. So the above is the entire content of this video. Thank you for your 3-in-a-row support. I'm Japanese, and I'll take you to understand the fun and interesting world of EDC. See you next time, bye bye.